Welcome, winter enthusiasts, to a mesmerizing journey through the snow-covered landscapes of the United States. Join me today as we embark on a 7-minute adventure, delving into the magical charm and diverse wonders of snowfall across the nation. From the powdery peaks of the Rockies to the quaint snow-covered towns in the Northeast, our exploration promises to showcase the unique beauty that blankets the USA in a pristine white canvas. As winter blankets the nation, each region of the United States experiences its own unique touch of snow magic. The Rockies, with their towering peaks, transform into a skier's paradise, boasting some of the finest powder in the world. Picture-perfect scenes of pristine slopes and snow-laden evergreens set the stage for adrenaline-fueled adventures. Venturing into the heartland, the Midwest unfolds a different tale of winter wonder. Vast plains are transformed into a serene white panorama, where frozen lakes become skating rinks and charming small towns embrace the beauty of a winter that seems to freeze time itself. Heading east, we find ourselves in the enchanting world of the Northeast, where historic villages and colonial architecture are blanketed in a layer of snow, creating a picturesque postcard setting. Join me as we stroll through charming streets dusted in snow, where the holiday spirit comes alive in every corner. Contrary to expectations, even the southern states don't escape the magic of snow. In the Appalachian Mountains, a dusting of snow transforms the landscape into a scene reminiscent of a winter fairy tale, surprising many with its unexpected charm. Our snow journey wouldn't be complete without a nod to the incredible wildlife that thrives in these frosty conditions. From playful squirrels frolicking in the snow to majestic elk navigating through the winter wonderland, the snowy landscapes of the USA offer a unique stage for nature's most captivating performances. For those seeking the extremes, we'll explore the frigid landscapes of Alaska, where snow and ice dominate the terrain, creating a harsh yet stunning environment. From glaciers to frozen fjords, Alaska's winter showcases nature's power and resilience in the face of the cold. As our 7-minute adventure comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the diversity of snowscapes across the United States.
On Tuesday, VI's Trout Lake Weatherhood Station shows a daytime high of 1C falling to -3C overnight, with snowfall amounts climbing above 10 centimeters. Thursday's forecast looks warmer during the day, but colder overnight. With a high of 2C and a low of -4C, more snowfall is also possible, although less of it is expected and it could be mixed with rain.
Karma is swift and merciless.
Friday's forecast calls for a high likelihood of precipitation, but temperatures are expected to be significantly warmer. With a daytime high of 6C and an overnight low of -1C, the precipitation will likely fall as rain. The Metro Vancouver forecast includes a significant shift to warmer temperatures over the weekend, with a new weather regime expected to dominate the end of the month.
It's a view on the window. I can't even. That much is blowing around. Like a whiteout. That's our truck. Can't see it. That's in between the cars. Crazy out there.
Officials at the airport said teams are actively clearing snow and ice from runways and taxiways and operating the de-icing facilities, but there will be fewer flights able to arrive and depart due to the conditions. As of 12 p.m. Wednesday, IVR received around 20 centimeters of snow accumulation on the airfield, and teams are clearing north, south, and crosswind runways, equal to almost 9 kilometers in length. Currently, approximately 80% of scheduled flights are operating, IVR officials said in an update. While there are a number of cancellations, many have been put in place proactively by our airline partners as we manage aircraft movement at IVR to the extent current weather systems will allow.